Hey there, savvy savers. If you've just gotten your hands on the Capital One Savor card, you're in for a treat with its cashback rewards on dining, entertainment, and groceries. But before you start swiping, you need to activate it. Don't worry, it's quick and straightforward. In this video, I'll guide you through the process step by step, so you can get your card up and running in no time. First things first, make sure you have your card handy along with some basic info like the card number, your full name, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. This is standard for security purposes. Let's dive into the methods. The easiest way is online. Head over to the Capital One website at capitalone.com. Look for the Activate Card section, or if you received an activation link in your email, use that. Once you're there, enter your card details and follow the prompts. It should only take a minute or two. If you prefer using your phone, download the Capital One mobile app from the App Store or Google Play. Log into your account, find the Activate a Card option, and input your information. The app is super user-friendly and might even let you set up alerts for your rewards. If you're not tech-savvy or prefer a personal touch, you can activate by phone. Just call the number on the back of your card, follow the automated instructions, or speak with a representative. They'll verify your identity and get you activated right away. One quick tip. Double-check that your personal details match what's on file to avoid any delays. Also, if you run into any issues, like an error message, contact Capital One customer service. They're usually very helpful. Once your card is activated, you're all set to enjoy 3% cashback on dining, entertainment, popular streaming services, and grocery stores, excluding superstores like Walmart and Target. Remember, activation is key to unlocking these perks, so don't wait. If you have any questions or tips of your own, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy spending, responsibly, of course.